Hello lovelies, welcome back again to another video. Today I share with you the simple Ghana TUO recipe or TZ recipe. It's also easy to put together and you are definitely going to love it. So without wasting my time, let's get started. To start with this authentic TUO recipe, I'll start by boiling my water. So I'll leave the quantity and everything in the description box for you to check it out, okay? Alright, so after 5 minutes of boiling the water, it is looking all warm. That is what I'll be going for, okay? So next I'm going to go in with some corn flour and I'm going to be making porridge out of this. So the water should be enough to make the porridge, okay? And remember also to sift your flour anytime you buy it from market because we want our TZ to be very smooth with no lumps, okay? And as you can see, as I mix the porridge, I'm also adding in more flour. So I'm going to be adding it until I reach the consistency that I want or the amount that I want, okay? After adding everything to the water, you just have to mix very well so that your porridge doesn't develop any lumps. And since we're making porridge, the consistency shouldn't be very heavy. You need to go in with more water to make the porridge very light. Alright, so whilst we're enjoying the music as well, don't forget as well to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after stirring the porridge very nicely, you just have to leave it on fire for about 10 to 15 minutes to cook very well. And as you can see, the bubbles in there indicate that the porridge is ready. So next I'm going to be scooping some of the porridge aside because I'll be using it as a thickener when the TUO or the TZ thickens up beautifully, okay? So now let's set it aside and continue with the rest of the video. So this is the consistency that I'll be going for. So moving forward, I'm going to be adding in my cassava flour to my porridge, and as I add to it, I'm going to be mixing it periodically because I don't want this to create lumps at all. TUO is never going to be delicious, or you are not going to enjoy it when it is lumpy. So kindly do stir it as you mix your flour, okay? Alright, so now we're going to mix until it thickens up beautifully, and when it thickens up, you just have to go in with the porridge that we cooked earlier on so that it will become very soft. TUO texture should be very soft and not as banku, so kindly note that, okay? So I have a detailed recipe on how to make your own homemade corn flour and cassava flour on my channel. I'll leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out, okay? So when preparing the TUO, we don't add in salt, so kindly note that. And so you'll be wondering why my TZ came out a little bit cream or off-white, or you can even call it brown if that is what you want to, okay? Because the cassava flour that I'm using is the brown type. You can as well use the white one if that is what you have or that is what you want. So when you go to market and you want to buy cassava flour and you want your TZ to come out very white, you just have to ask for it before you buy it, okay? If you don't want yours to become off-white just like this. So now remember to go in with your porridge, and when preparing TZ, we don't add in salt, as I said, so kindly note that, okay? So now let's stir and leave it on low medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes until it cooks very well, and that is it. In less than 10 to 15 minutes, you have your own homemade TZ recipe nicely done. So after 15 minutes of cooking it on low medium heat, I will stir it for the last time, and afterwards you can wrap your TZ into your plastic bags, or you can just scoop it into your bowl, add in your AYOYO soup and enjoy yourself. Okay, so now let's enjoy ourselves with some AYOYO soup that I prepare. I will bring you a detailed recipe on that very soon, okay? Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this TZ or Dieho recipe. It came out so good, as you can see. And I hope you're going to love making yourself your own homemade TZ. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. And if you enjoy to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much. Bye bye and stay blessed.